here's how you can delete Google account permanently on your phone. So, if you want to permanently delete your Google account from your phone, this will remove all your data like Gmail, Photos, Drive, and more. So make sure to back up anything important before doing this. First, open your phone setting. Now, scroll down and tap Google. Then, simply click on the Google account that you're logged in with. Here, you can simply choose the Google account that you want to permanently delete. After selecting that specific account, click on that account again and click this option that says Manage your Google account. Once you click this, you'll be on this page where you'll have to go to Data and Privacy. So scroll down and click on this option that says Data and Privacy. Now, scroll down until you find the Delete Your Google Account button. So scroll down at the bottom and you will see this option that says Delete Your Google Account. But before deleting your Google account, you can download your data from Google by clicking on this button that is just right here. Click on Download Your Data and it will take you to another page. Here, you'll have to simply choose what do you want to download, like Access Log Activity, Alerts, Android Device Confirmation, Arts, Culture, Blogger, Calendar, Chrome, and much more. Also, you have the option to download your contacts, files from Drive, Fit, and all the applications you would have installed or connected to Google. You can see you have the option to download data from Maps, Mails, Contacts, and everything from just right here. Simply make sure you click this checkbox button after things that you want to download. If it's checked, it will be downloaded. Now after selecting everything that you want to download, scroll down at the bottom on this page and click Next Step. Here, you'll have to choose Send Download Link via email, or you can add it to Drive, Dropbox, or Box. I will download it via email. Now, you can choose the frequency whether you want to export it once or every 2 months for 1 year. Choose the file type as zip or TGZ. Now, choose the file size and click Create Export. After you click Exports, it will show the number of products you'd be downloading and your files will be in the process of export. It can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. After the data gets exported, you will get an email that you'll have to click on and download your data from. And after you have created the export for downloading your data, you can get back and click Delete Your Google Account. Now, once you tap on it, you may be asked to sign in again for security. Just enter your password and continue. Now, you will see a warning page showing everything that will be deleted. Take a moment to review it carefully. Now, scroll down at the bottom and simply check both the confirmation boxes and simply tap this Delete Account button. And that's it. Your Google account will be permanently deleted after you click on the button. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.